Everyone, good morning. Let's solve problem A from the weekly contest 387. So before watching this solution, I hope that you have tried this problem for at least 25 minutes. So if you haven't tried, please go and try for a couple of minutes. So let's understand the problem. You are given a one indexed array of distinct integers nums of length n, and you need to distribute all the elements of numbers between two arrays, array 1 and array 2, using n operations. He is saying that he will be giving the distinct integers, and we need to divide those elements into two arrays, array 1 and array 2, using the n operations. In the first operation, you need to append nums of 1 to array 1. In the second operations, append nums of 2 to array 2. He is saying that whatever may the scenario, in the first operations, suppose my array 1 is this and array 2. In my first operations, 2 will be inserted into array 1 and 1 will be inserted into the array 2. And in second operations, append after in the ith operations, if last element of array 1 is greater than the last element of array 2, append nums of I to the array 1, otherwise append nums of 1 to the array 2. Now suppose we are getting 3 and is saying that if the last element of array 1 is greater than the last element of array 2, that means my 2 is greater than 1, right? 2 is greater than 1, so I will append nums of 1 to array 1, so my 3 will be inserted here. So you can see here he is saying that in third operations as the last element of array 1, that means this 2 and this 1, and greater than my array 2, that's why we are appending into this array. Let's see one more example. We have 5, 4, 3 and 8, and we have array 1 and we have array 2. Now in array 1 we are keeping 5, in array 2 we are keeping 4. Now coming to this 3, right? Coming to this 3, my array 1 last element is greater than my array 2, so I will append 3 here. Now my array 2 last element is greater than my array 1, right? 4 is greater than 3, so I will append 8 here. After appending, he is saying that the resultant array is formed by the concatenation of array 1 and array 2. That means we have completed this. Now we need to concatenate both this. We are getting 5, 3, 4, 8. You can see here 5, 3, 4, 8. So constants are very low. You can go with brute force approaches. So try for it. If I think you understood it, try to code by yourself. Now let's see the coding part. So here we are declaring answer for storing the v1 and v2. So you can optimize it. You can do space optimizations and time optimizations, and vector int v1 and v2, and we are initially pushing 0 index and 1 index, and because he is saying that n is greater than or equals to 3, that means definitely we are going to have the first two elements. That's why we have taken directly. Otherwise, if you are accessing the elements which are out of index, so you will get index out of bound error. So you should not do like this. Now int I is equals to 2, I less than, and I am checking v1 dot back is greater than v2 dot back. If it is greater, then I am pushing into the v1, or else I am pushing into the v2. And in answer, I am storing v1 and I am iterating to v2 and I am pushing I, and finally we are returning the answer. So if you see here my time complexity will be, so it's if a single iteration, right, it will go till order of n, and we are using extra space, so it will be order of n. So I think you understood it. So if you understood it, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in DSA, or if you are interested in discussions, so I have created a WhatsApp community, Code with Confidence. You can join there. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.